and we had a bit of fun. It is overgrown because we didn't
Weed.
weed it. And yeah, if you look very closely, here is still a bit of potatoes. So yeah, in the next week or two, we will get the weeders all into our place and get a few potatoes.
Harvest all the potatoes.
Yeah, harvest all of
Yeah.
potatoes.
Yeah, so Bruno thought it well to come and dig up all the, well, not all the potatoes, but some of the potatoes and then replant them wherever he felt needed. We've had some potatoes coming up by the blueberries and strawberries. We've had some potatoes coming up between our sweet corn.
We got one more.
We've had potatoes coming up in that raised bed garden between Daniel's petunias. So already we harvested quite a bit of volunteer potatoes. But yeah, here you can see the potatoes are busy dying back. And let's say another week or two, and we might start harvesting potatoes and get this bed ready for the next planting.